Okay. All right, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm sorry that I moved my mic because I have to fix one or two things. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. I decided to come live now before the fundraising. We are going to come back again, so we have few time to spend now. Okay, I want you to make sure you like the video and subscribe. In case if you're new, I can only know that you are watching when you put your comments. Yes, Doreen is the first person to make comment. Doreen, I welcome you. Good morning, Kai Report. Good morning, Doreen. So you are, wow. I changed my location, so my ring light is not actually working properly. So I have to manage it this way because I don't want to, every weekend I always change my location so that I'll be able to stream the fundraising if that permits. So let me know when you are here. Like I said, I have Doreen in the house. Please share. Okay, let me actually put something. All right. We are not going to waste much time. I am here to discuss one or two things based on what I told you yesterday that I would like to react on. The reaction of Lasuba to visitation of DPM in Finland. So that is what this live stream is all about. Then after this, we are going to go out and come back again for fundraising. So I expect you to like this video and share it, as we are not going to waste much time. So we have just few moments to spend, maybe 1 hour to 2 hours thereabout, there, because fundraising will start in a couple of hours to come. Ojugo, Chuku, greetings to you. Is this our Ojugo, like the Ojugo that was here yesterday in our studio, or another Ojugo? So Ojugo Chuku, I want to know, are you the same person, my sister, or a different person bearing the same name? I'm kind of confused about that. Just a moment before we start properly. Just a moment. I will get back to you.
The Canberra rise. The Canberra rise on November 29.
Okay, Darren, thank you so much. He said, please use this to buy a bucket for to hold, I mean, bucket to put her tears, right? Thank you so much. Yeah, my sister. I go say, what can magic or magic? And bright, what a bright. I greet you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate. Really appreciate, to be honest.
25 teams. Our people declared the Canberra State in the United States of Biafra.
Wait, Ojugo, you are. He said that Ojugo is the same as Doreen, who was in the studio yesterday. So you are the Doreen. Okay. Okay, you are the same person. Doreen is the same person. That's Ojugo. That's Doreen. And now you come, because sometimes I wonder why. Like, that's what my thought. Okay. Sometimes I ask myself, why is it that we don't often see Ojugo? But now I know that you are Doreen, that always with us. I am different person, bro. Okay. You say, Okay, Doreen is the Ojugo. Okay. Not Ojugo. Ojugo Chugo. Okay. Thank you so much for that clarification because I don't know. Okay. Yes, Ojugo is my Igbo name. Yamaragama, my sister. Now I know that you are the one. Now I know because I always know Ojugo. I don't know that you are the one, Doreen. And because this account, Doreen, I see this account as one of us. Like I don't know that you are the one. Thank you for that that clarification. I really appreciate. Our mommy is in the house. I see you, Mena. You're welcome. And Fidelia is here with us as well. Fidelia, I see you. Nelson Mark, one of us. Nelson Mark, I greet you. Nelson Mark. I greet you. He said, I am different person, bro. Greeting from Germany. One love. Okay. This is our another Ojugo Chuku. Okay. Long live Kai report. That is Fidelia. Amen. And you too, my sister. Long live to all of us. We shall not know short premature death. It's not our portion. Amen. Our mommy, I greet you. Doreen, thank you for the money, for the bucket to collect Lasuba's tears. And not only Lasuba, many of them are, the cry is, honestly, it gladdened my heart to see this kind of thing. And they are now eating their own, they are now falling to their own evil trap. Most of them that set a trap are not going back to the same trap they sell for other people. Let's continue with the game by we'll be right back.
Listen! Our roads are broken, schools without roofs, so farms they suffer no more than two, so but now we stand to declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call jobs right here we create. Ikemba development, no more wait. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise, from need to victory.
No.
All right. Let's start.
Ekene mmiri niile Igbo ji debe, ekene mmụọ nwe mmiri. Ana m ekene mmiri niile Igbo ji debe, ekene mmụọ nwe ya nwe mmiri. Ekene mmụọ na-emere igwe na mmụọ Igbo na-emere ihe. Ekene mmụọ eji wee bibe ha n'Igbo. Ekene aja n'Igbo nna.
Ọ ga na-ekele Chineke na mmadụ na-ekwu.
Chukwu okike abịa ma ezi Chimekene. Ụmụnne m ụtụtụ ọma. A sị na onye unu ya na-agba ọkụ anaghị achụ oke. Ọ dị mma ọ dị njọ, mma apụta kọwara unu ka o si wee dị. Because na onye ma ihe na-emenụ mara ka o si aga, mara ka o si wee dịrị. Onye na-ebu ya ibu mana ndị a na-akọ nwere ike na mana ihe ya ịma ka o si were dị. Ya ka nje esi ka mma ọzọ bifo na-eje ọrụ ọrụ update.
That picture of DPM in Finland and that had that her post, all right? Push this one. She jumped out from bed and begin to stream live. she started, she started her stream just because she want to, share her pains with her followers. Why? Because she have told them that Ngozi cannot go to Finland, and seeing her post. Not only that she visited, it's not as if she just went to Finland. She spent her vacation there. Like she will wake up in Finland, go to bed again. And from what I can see in that post, it's not only her, her excellency. she went there. I'm just saying, from what I can see from that post, I felt like she was there with her family, right? And Lasuba don't like it at all. She's not only her, many of them are very, very confused and bitter about the whole thing. I am yet to see the Mazi Akwa's reaction to that. Maybe I will, because I was there to see it. Then I stumbled on the video that a gentle appeared and I said, okay, let me see what happened here. Behold, Lasuba was also sharing that. I said, okay, let me focus on Lasuba and report how she reacted to that stream. And after that, then I'd have to check Sonak Barawa. I saw Sonak Barawa as well doing the same thing. Now, this woman wake up in the morning and started, sharing the Ifenemen and Abai. Pay attention, because I don't have much time to explain much, to go more deeper. But I will try my best to follow what the video is all about, and I want you to go through it with me, and let's see what we can make out of it. Listen to her again.
The bombardment. Name na Igbo. Nke a na Anambra State. Ka I were for that na the bombardment I was also for ebe. It's na Enugu State na it's na Enugu State na bomb. Sine Anambra na bomb. Ko sine na Soludo vow no ye bucha so mu Igbo niile. Are they more surprised? No, are they more surprised because
let's not forget that Soludo is also from Isofia, where Lasuba came from.
All contract. Fana Ngozi ola beze mele mede ifa. Imo na unne ekwu ya na akpọ Ngozi. Some stupid ones amali ife na akọ. Mabia na ajụ sị ọ gịnị. Achọrọ m ka unu n'anya ihe na-emenu. Achọrọ m ka unu gee ntị.
This useless woman is calling COS. That COS is a partaker. She's working with them, right? She's working with the military. That this bombardment going on in our land. Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian military, Nigerian Defense, what they call themselves, DSS. That Ngozi is working with them. Yesterday she was with she was streaming Mazi Akwa's stream. She was sharing the screen, and in that video, when Gentle was talking and all that, she shared it on her platform, and she heard Gentle saying that so person are the one that collected so amount of money, and how Tiger Bear shared the money and all that. Many of you have watched it because I released that video earlier today here on this platform, and this woman was there smiling. She was hearing what Gentle was saying. Now, despite that, she will still come back and tell you that Ngozi is involved. Did you hear any of this military claiming that Ngozi is the one? It's only when they want to blackmail other people, they will twist everything to make it look like what they're saying is true. So now, tried it with Ogengere in the past. They are still doing it though. But now they are the one doing it among themselves. What they have done to DPM and USB government, they are not doing it on their own. They are doing it to themselves now, pretending that they are fighting for something, whereas they are not fighting anything. These guys, they know what they're doing. It's about their relevance. It's about themselves. They want to make themselves feel happy and feel okay. Why? Why must you go to that extent? Lying and lying and lying. Listen, Lasuba is here telling you that with the Nigerian military, they teamed up to kind of Majan. No proof, nothing. She just woke up and began to yap nonsense. And tomorrow she will tell you why Ngozi is not doing this and doing that for the movement. So if truly you are sure that she's working with the military and the Nigerian Air Force and everything, why are you not expecting her to do anything tangible again? Because tomorrow she will still come out. Then ask Ngozi and his group, what are they doing? So you think that she will be doing that, like you said, from heart of your heart. You are sure. You know that she's bombarding our land. According to you, then why are you not, why will you come back again and ask her what she's doing? So you have concluded that she's evil. Then expecting something positive from her simply means that you lied when you say that she's committed so crime. I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. You know that she's doing this, then what are you expecting her to give you something different from what you claim that she's doing? I want you to think deeper so that you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah.
That is the zoo. You can see them. The zoo military. You can see the zoo soldiers. Life updates happening in Ebolese County.
Now, this idiot, then this message, supposed to be Ngozi Olabeze's governor. When I call Ebenesia County, only the corner called Ebenesia County. I recognize be anibu no forgive Ngozi Olabeze is your state. Because someone that this information, never after information, the whole world, no matter what is going on. The whole world.
Do you understand what I just told you now? Listen, she first told you that Ngozi Olabeze and these people are the one, Nebo Majana, bombarding our land, doing this and that. Then somebody who recorded that video complained about what is going on. She still tell you that this person that's calling for, for alerting people that this something is going on in different land, that the person is supposed to be Ngozi Olabeze's governor, according to her. Now, if that person is USB governor and the person is raising an alarm of the bombardment from Nigerian forces in Biafra land, you still tell us that DPM Dr. Abeze is involved in this bombardment, but the governor who worked under her is the one giving you raising an alarm of what is going on. And she further did by telling that you see why Ngozi is insisting in state creation, that nobody knows this location, that the name is not in Google Map. Ask Lasuba, do you know how to read Google Map? If they place world map, do you know how to trace any country from world map? I doubt you don't need it. I doubt you know anything there. You don't know anything. Now, who actually thought about state creation? Is it DPM? Is those states her brainchild? Like, is she the one that initiated it, or she's following the template that PM initiated? What do you think? And she claimed that Obato is her life and lifeline and everything, but she never take anything serious. One of the worst things that happened to any man in this age and time is if you decide that out of your own, I don't know, the reason best known to you, to side or work with Lasuba in any shape or form, whether as an administrator, or as a military man, or as a broadcaster, as a content creator, whatsoever, you should stay away from this woman. That just because she's going to influence you to start being misbehaving. Think about it. She's the one that are bombarding Biafra land according to you. Now, the person that is raising an alarm, you say that the person is also a governor that work under her leadership, under her, that work under her. Now you are trying to let us know that this state name is COS that give name out. Even PM is not the one that pronounce those names. People from those areas choose their names of the state. Nobody force anything on anybody. That you don't know, you abuse it doing propaganda and saga without paying attention to the name of the state. Whose fault is that? If you don't know, why don't you go to the state, name of the state and capital? Then you see the place they're talking about. Then you can ask questions. Many Biafrans are learning the state, learning the boundary. Somebody even called me a few days ago. I forgot to find that, find out what she asked me to find out for her. I think that's a term that she want me to ask which state that term belong to in Anambra State. And honestly, I forgot to do that assignment. I'm just remembering it now. And after this, I'm going to go back to her to find out the name, that town, because she mentioned the town. I think already. I think The person asked me, Orifite, which state is Orifite in Anambra State? Honestly, I don't know yet. You see? So should I just come out and begin to blame COS or PM that, oh, how can you say that? Well, why I don't know. Listen, it is my duty to ask and to find out. State have been created, have been created. Look at this woman. Oh, no, Google map. If you want the whole world to know this, no, people can be funny. Listen to her again.
You call Ebenezer, nobody knows
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer account will about a map of this world. I don't understand the plan of these criminals. Nobody recognized by Biafra. This is state Anna Pogasi, MB exist. Onwebe onobe na map of the world. Onobe na map of Biafra. Talk less of map of because all the analog na map of Biafra. Recognize all na world map. Onwu ni desert the obodo na chọrọ ịkpọkịta ịkpa na ịkpọ ọdụmegwu. Iwepụta map ọdụmegwu apụta. Google recognize anya. Mana kodi kita Google recognize because Google amara ebe Google amara ife a na-akọ. Anya ka nsị ka nkọwala ụnụ. Ka ụnụ ghọta the game of Fulanis.
You see, this is why I said, how many of you remember when I said that this woman should like, her problem is that she's trying to get involved in something that's beyond her level. You are meant to join, like, to get involved in it, like protest. I said it before. You know, anything that has to do with protest, you know, street walk, you know, that kind of thing. Get Lasuba, she will perform very, very well. But anything that has to do with intellectual, with a kind of academic or research, or something that has to do with that it requires common sense and logical reason, can't Lasuba out. She don't need to get involved. Now, she's trying to tell you that COS made a mistake, that she's not, no, this state creation is wrong and that is not in the world map. Asa, if not that the one that USB just did, making sure that they register USB government, USB in world map. Go let's say old map, the current world map. Show me where is Biafra. Do you understand? But USB government are the one pushing to get it done for Biafra to appear in world map. Now, as of this time, 2 years ago, where is Biafra in world map? But you believe in Biafra. You are talking about Biafra. Right? This guy, this woman is something else. That's why I told you. She's just acting based on what the state told, you know, asked her to do. Not even a very good state. I'm talking about all these you know, contact. Come and do this and do that. They will find you. Maybe you pay your house rent. That's all. Upon all the nonsense that she's doing on social media, two boys have not even reached out to her. They're contacting all people like her that are vocal, that can send it without any shame. And those ones are, you know, buying into the idea with one hand. They are following Yakata. Here again.
Date is 18th day of February 2026. The Zoo military have come once again in Ebolese County, Odumegu State, United States of Biafra, with their heavy bombardment and with the other fighter jets to bombard Biafra Liberation Army.
Odumegu State.
Live update. Live update. That is the zoo. You can see them. The zoo military. You can see the zoo soldiers. Live update.
Now, Lasuba is talking and she moved her mic. Let me drag the video. I can't wait. She's here now. She has started talking about DPM. Let me take it back. She's talking about DPM here already because I don't know why she moved her mic, and so let's just wait until she starts again. I don't want to miss this part. This is the reason why I'm right.
Yeah, Dana.
Close it again.
Let me see. The back. Closet 16.
Excuse Bobby. Okay. You guys just keep playing with me.
When you are on my mask, when can see we move to you. Mom can see we move. Adam, sorry. Thank you, my brother Polomono. So, this is Ngozi Olabeze, a so-called president. The info we put this morning, a Nigerian terrorist army, na bomb anibo, ne butasi obarana kofusi obarana anibo.
Now, she have twisted it. She started by telling you that she is the one that is working with the Nigerian government to bombard our land. Now, that's what she said at the beginning of the video. Now that she have gotten to this part where DPM posted something, and we have talked about this and the reason why, the sense behind the post and everything, we have talked about it already. Now, she's here telling you that, okay, you see, that this woman that is talking about Dr. Abese, that she is the one, she worked with the Nigerian government to bombard our land, and now she's telling you, oh, she's sharing her wealth. Why our land is under siege? Somebody is bombarding it. So if you are sure about what you said at the beginning of the video, why are you now worried that she's fronting her wealth that you are complaining about now? Why are you? So you actually expect her to do what? I thought you said she's the one bombarding our land. So why are you saying as if you are surprised? I thought you beat your chest and say it. Oh, she's the one. No job. Negate.
Because we tweet like this thing. Go where go sing that now. Am I call me on? Nenya. I call me on. They gave you tweet like this morning. Go see give me the car. Okay, forget. Thank God no motor color on COVID because steering now will the same. Nana afu. Maybe no after can control on koji go nya. Okuno free ya. Ama kwa me no na afọ ya ka ngosikwa ya ụnọ ọzọ na ife Ngozi wepụtara this morning neni
Close it again.
nenu iwe otu itiri anyị gosi gị ime moto gosi gị akwụkwọ o ji wee go moto na the name of the motor ogini amara m ya ebe our people na anwụ ana agbagbusi our people and then we just say our people. Ngozi Olabeze goes
and Anababusa our people. Even our people now, Anababusa our people. So now you are getting the point. Anababusa our people. I thought you said she's the one who is Anna. What you should have said that Anababusa our people. Now front her wealth. Now we are trying to let, I don't know if she think that she's talking to ghost. She's talking to a ghost or what? I don't understand. In your video, you just said that she's bombarding our land. She not work with the Nigerian government. Let's go pretend them in Anabai and they so much and they our angel and our angel. Or if you couldn't. Yeah, about that, keep the queer. You are in a queer often. Every now and then, if you're always facing on about that. In the midst of all those things, you are not telling us, oh, almost abandon and they go to buy natural goods words here. Can you believe Lasuba? Which of them do you want us to believe? You see the one pine throwing bomb, bombarding our land? Is she involved? If yes, then why are you expecting her to stop the bombardment because that's why you're complaining. Here you're saying it as if you're not supposed to focus on silent bombardment. How can she work against herself? She's the one that bombarded now. If you could, why he serpentine tongue? He like everywhere. He like it everywhere. Hi. Obieze na ike to ndono. Nekweno Adanda Bonangede, honorable Adanda, honorable. After that video today, I think on my ex because I saved it. These guys, because you know nothing. Now get to and this post, she's not focused on the cars and the picture and the video. Why can't you go through the write-up that comes with it? I was expecting you to read it out so that maybe you may have better idea. Or ask someone to read it for you. Especially that part, DPM said that now Abumo Ojimoto Emogo. Abumo Ojimoto Emogo. Shashiwa. According to this Cassia. Gang will read it. Abumo Ojimoto Emogo. All folk there. You can put it on them. Ball guy for motors, brand. It's the Colion. A carbon oil can match how much. Go on, you don't even have a son then. You get the carriage, I beg how much. Ordinary your job where you're working. Up one day, they will call catch a combat all on my call of so not but I did it some time ago. Madam Baba in her psychiatric hospital. That psychiatric hospital or clinic is actually made for you guys. In the word of Madam Origin, this is you need to go and buy purchase your card so that you are admitted. She need to treat you. That post is just like a supplement, like a vaccine. Okay, she just gave you guys free vaccine. That post, because that post actually healed a lot of demons in you. Not all, just to reduce the number. She controlled your mood and your stupidity with one single post. Una naba here and there. You can have a question that now you mentioned about the for you on them. And you talk now. Hear this.
Yeah, congratulations. Is the car is what if a call for her? Is what if a call for her? But I never seen this world. Ebe country now. Ebe na bomb boom this in achi. Or will you use it equal to your world? Ni got a motto. Congratulations on I women way. Okay, what I go.
Oh, even at the moment, this woman now. Each time he hot to yeah, on that women open like a gentle. Even Butosa, gentle. Not like a motive reporter. I like a motive. I hope the man will notice reporter. Manapata again. Augustele Gatunilu. Kabon came so go bladder mamma. That was not. I forgot. Kabos what is so back to go bladder mamma. Obi adrog since day one. The moment they say that now, and I like what this reporter. Even before you say that, Obi adrog him. And if Obi adrog because no pota. Oh, I quite said in him, kill the way. And I like what you go to go say about the goes. Go say about the kegi. Or why Ibra go why? Ibra go according to you. They get.
Because of Nancy J go no more trailer and a motor trailer. The steering trailer J go motor was opposed to Munka. I'm happy because August in that non a full bumper to bumper. And joy a name and all come man on a whoop to we are enough here. Then again. Oh, and goes the post.
You see how happy it could not follow like non against at all. You see level. You see the gap. She doesn't even remember you that you exist. That she just decided to when you guys see me call them cancel anybody because I'm a nigga watch video. oge isi na ịkọrị ọnụ maka ọnụ ịkọrị gaga moto ajụ ma nna ajụ gị bụ ogo moto afọ ozugbo ịkọrị ya dị ọnụ ọwa gị na moto akịta nọkacha ozugbo go ego ọ sị that I decided to keep a low profile. Like if you go to my profile, you see that I don't brag much to compare what I am. It's not what I mean, but like I said, I want to get bottom mag working. But when I go rather than believe it, I go one mark, I want to go why. Guy, I go with fast. DPM. Boy, someone not getting a rock or target that in. Like you off, Maki, what if the post is all about. Madam, you don't land the Gidigam. Mazika and they were reggae. Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear that from you. I'm happy to have you. Thank you for your support. Ihoma mere ụmụ Biafra niile, ihoma mere ụmụ Biafra ndị ihe ọma dị mma. Ihoma mere ụmụ Biafra niile, ihoma mere ụmụ Biafra ndị ihe ọma dị mma. I see you. Thank you so much for your comments, and we shall continue. Okay. Now, let's continue with Lasuba.
Listen, mgbe okay. I said that's what draw. No Nigerian government and Babai ka agbabusie ngozi na-post like her world. Ụtụtụ echi ụmụ Chihuahuas onwelu nyakafa ya eji were nọrọ ọka nwanyị ogoro moto o mere nke a moto awụrọkwa ọwa
na na mmadụ ụmụ Chihuahua o nwere nkịta na na village na-ata ashigbo nkịta ọ na-abụ nwanyị enosi mmadụ omena nkịta ụta bịa lachachi ọ dị nkịta ka ịbụ na nkịta ọ na-abụ ọ na-akparị na ọ bata na village ọchị mmanya ọnụ n'ife ndị mmadụ dosa achụ ya not because na ọ na-achị iwere something kama na ọ na-amanya ọnụ nsị n'ife dosa nkịta ọ na-abụ ọmanya na bucket mmiri nọ na ya wụọ mmiri ị ga-achọ something ga-eji sacha the bucket if possible because no doga na nkịta na-ele nshi ị ga-eji ya compare ya bụ Chihuahua gị ọ dị nkịta ya bụ level of nkịta nke gị wa ụmụ nkịta na owode na-asụfa na ncha na ọfụ ifo ebe bụ na o ji aka ya fido owu ya ịghọtago and ọdụfa na-epe mpe ọnọgide oge ụgwụrụ ọta mmadụ arụ ọzi ga straight to hospital because no treatment, nothing whatsoever. Our own brother Daniel, God bless you. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Then about the Chihuahua, and I was told that to go 247 is what that, according to her, that to go 247 is what that said that used that word almost Chihuahua. Maybe David. I can't make una cap. If the Chihuahua, Mary, to you people are ranting. Go and check your antecedent, check your job, check everything about your profile. Can you get that? I cannot remember you. Ihe ji obodo gị ama otigbu one of ndị Isofia. This I'm not insulting Isofia people, please. I know that she don't represent you. I know. So pardon me on that. Isofia people, please pardon me. I'm not actually using this woman to paint all of you bad, not at all. Every village, every town have one or two Oyibiribe donor. I'm not gonna lie. Like the one that from my side, they are somehow in chain. Because you cannot just allow them to come out and make every community go on the way to see this not from a community. Oh yeah, you are in Ethiopia or Maba Sudan. See Sudan tip that bad France. How market. Onye gba ọtọ kacha akọ mmadụ ọnụ akwa na akwa gị jere mana ọ bụ ọtọ. You are naked. You are naked. Ready? And you want to attack any other person. For what? Because if you did one, I mean ụmụ Chihuahua. Na-egekwe ya ntị ka ịfụ onye na-ekwu okoko.
Eji moto eme ọgaranya n'Europe. hence that in our role here.
Jiro moto emo garamani is gwa me plus e call you na moto na state that bo it's not no gongoro sele gongoro ko gene ki bolia giwa ji okwu a ko na ezigbo okwu ka iji aga ukwu eji azọpịa ife mmadụ kọrọ n'ugbo na n'isi ọfịa ọkwụ ụkwụ a ka iji azọ gị na iji ewetara somebody with moto you kwesịrị ịkọ mmadụ ọnụ moto last time o wepụ ịkọ ọnụ moto before here on social media. This is not the first time. But we are yet to see your tire. We are yet to see you be butaya naka. Manina come on moto. You want to say he gave me a my he gave me the same mind, the same nonsense spirit evil. Kija come madonna na laptop. They go get a laptop. And Anna Quapo was stream yard. Napo was but all the USB government did not know a USB data. Do they go a laptop big? You go laptop again. That size no. I couldn't know what that. Okay, even I hatch on no. Sometimes that remember matter go. Oh, when you get better yourself, you may regret it. I'm sure anybody of that contribute to they give you a good laptop, they regret it because you don't deserve it. I don't blame them. Somebody number for how would you know we made that problem? Oh, women always seasonal madness. Alan episode from January, like Alan and that episode from like September, October, November, December. Like only with that kind of we November, December, January. Hey, Fana was safe. Now village that time. Oh, when they have an Alogoro ne trigger. Now that rainy season for the normal. Fana catch a behave come mad, very calm. Now what I do? Mana ogoro cha Google cha north ma. He hit ye. Ima ogo culture on abo. You could not on breeze on if you call it like a sand and wind and not on every man they spin something. Oh spin. Can I see no among Meluga cam and I come in a village that time. That kind of wind, not nice spin, both, and I hear boy. I think that now get gonna come over together, no naga with evil spirit. Not a couple of people too, but I don't know how true is that. Or if I caught a village that time. During that kind of ogre, Obona, Oga give you your mental state, like Obona there. Oh, you wait, Oga before that moment. You know that go? All those things get somebody. Some people that say, "You not showing no why get your why you go." So, why we only watch you more? They watch your leg. They watch the lips and the about and all that time get you because oye jogi gap tough that moment. Oye open John Oga bana all that is not Oga continue. This woman open oka na neighbor. Ndị mmanya ogo na neighbor ga check open ha ga-ekwu. Ogo why or they remain the same. There was no way and Oga go to a guy getting on Ubo Mado. Talk about that time because if not, how can he go and sleep in somebody's family? Rainy season. Everywhere got no wet now. But no out of madness that allow Gura for Wikipedia on our own the Nako Rubo, the H job, which is daily job. And I got maybe 1 or 2 on the flanny. Not even back for Gaba Naga the boss, me my bonding mother. Up na Mazena France, ebe snow nada from year to year. That madness I'm change gear. Okay, only maintain the same gear. So it cannot change because all pattern and will get change gear. Oguru get push it. Madness get change gear sharply. You put it on them. Then obviously no we are gonna get back we are gonna so. Iman they got buy sharply. They get
any motor on nature. He have only when I call him when he found out no Buddha.
He match all those things, but he could not upon a motor. And I come on a motor. Now they put the motor now. It was a wo na no go na ni bo na. Ada no go na ni bo no get na motor. Ojo.
Ona agba ye go to nwe. Na na ege ntị. Na anyị twa na agba de bai. Nigerian military. They innocent people causing genocide.
There's any one akọghị. N'ife ọ na-akọghị. Ihe a niile bụ okwu na-ese akụkọ, my people. She actually understands everything that she's doing. Mana ife na-eme ka ọ na-aghọtazi. Ọma alụ anọ na-alụ, mana nke ife na-eme ka ọ na-aghọtazi. Ị na-achọ criticize somebody that have like there's no, comparing you with DPM is like it's an insult now. It's a very, very big insult. On a height, on a structure, or occupation. I mean, please let me know. We're big, yeah. I'm not on the negative side. In another, I should make outside. Maybe now. I'm just trying to state the facts. Because that side not too good. You got to go like your past job. That I don't need anybody to tell me your past job. I can see it. It's staring on your face. You can see it. We all know that because guys sometimes. Even now wow. Because I know. Anyway, I don't want to go there. Can you
wake up? Man, the only way and the only hope I'm going to save our land with these children. I'm one kitty. And I chibuchaya and I talk a Nigerian terrorists overpower these boys. On our mama and miri. Oh, na the bad man, what is it? Even I be deputy. No one and that make that da.
Now, I remember when we were growing up, Egan Log, about that, like, listen, Emily has almost Emily in that talk. Or go half a euro gap off, ma. You will get a wiggy. Aquagana gogi. You don't want to talk. I just say this again. Nah, KFNS again, or that. You might think it. Because if I need to have no new people, I'm going to see it. If I need to go with the proper here. Hey, Kina, they go that again. Hey, yeah, Casey, can't talk in and again. Either have to explain if you never about what. Imagine maybe looking at that dog. You have to go. So, Genti, from beginning of this video, how much do I owe you? So I want to go to back on a motor phone if even DPM flashing. On this day now be around. Then don't put the no given even an Igbo nana. They say house to connect it aquana. Legend because I'm telling you, get it.
So what draw?
Now I'm gonna take it back a little bit. So if you feel good before if you prompt to that hour or hide was here, you have to release it. Go through your mind.
Oh, na the bad man, what is it? Even I deputy. No one and that make that da. And that make that da. Umaza make that lose. So what draw?
Negative.
Yeah, they men also. Yeah, they men also. Oh, yeah, na chosen also. Abus logo. A man more our angel on also don't call you to. Or that mother vary. ijere vow na haya abalele. They can never go back without about that place. That also kahano. Unless na chukwu ayi adrondo. Unless na chukwu ayi ana aja ni Igbo na. Unless zikwe na mmụọ Igbo ana ozie. Gbakọtaziri enwe ụmụ Igbo azụ.
And then I'm going to get you on the building. You get to the phone the back of my giving a menos. I swear, nobody ever. You get to the Macos on the Belacqua. If it's a lie, you automotive phone by Baquabido. Yeah, that go. Side that because she will cover it and pretend. Or that. Come to go straight giving a menos. After commenting this video, they did a joint program with Biafra Unite. Biafra Unite played this video even better than this. And he talked, he explained and all that. Lasuba was there without any emotional feeling. Do you understand? Then you now ask yourself, is it not the same video that pushed her tears out either before now? Why is he not doing anything? Like she's done, you can see that she don't have anything like anything emotional or any sign of tears at all whatsoever. Man on the back way by every you think even they push you out no it's that post to DPM push you like I told you. Okay, can talk with I'm not you. I'm just telling you my own side. Oh, we got no as what I get. Then oboni million na that talk. Sometimes open at the two we face again. It don't know what those man. Maybe not to other again because if I come as easy give me to Naja man. If you will keep punching my ball back around the ideas of everything. Man, as long as not talking that time, I'm not academy now. And I counter the medical. That's why I say easy gilunaja. In a bamba easy gilunaja or a problem. In another man easy gilunaja but easy gilunaja. He went that thing and that's when I hey yeah, if it once and they put it hey yeah, he gave back whether you like it or not. Or that is the state this woman is the way. After Kogo Sigi post, then begin the chain and that. Now working able to that. No. Open said no, that she's there bombarding Igbo land with the which is another. She can't even maintain that lie. She couldn't maintain it. Then another Ghana to the state because how both go mode every day. Also, I go to that car park. There goes to the truck car park. If any minutes. Then doing another live stream. If you think that this video is one that pushed her tears, go and watch the video she did with Biafra Unite. The same day, they played the same video, and when Biafra Unite was playing it, after playing it, what did she do? Joy said, Adagi, give your closing speech, like your submission. But on the same video, maybe I that day. Yes. If you could go nice, not like a video, if I give you the no yes. And if I give you how to fundraising. What if you're talking now? They may include na fundraising for Omajan, for Danger. On a Tiago, Makako go Finland for them to validate her to care for Danger. I will say, I say, I say, the where you are. Hey, about that day, we're so moody with the minimum way no way about camera. Because all the sense, everybody was sense, you should know that people are going to read your body language when this kind of thing happens to you because you can't control it. You can't hide it. Thank you so much, Doris. Let me read the comment. Thank you very much. And he said, Lasuba, oye ahia road. Lasuba, oye ahia road. Am I missing something from this? Give it my boy, oye ahia road. Kiris is your boy, listen. And Lasuba, oye ahia road. I don't understand. I don't understand what you mean, Dorian. God, good evening, guy. Good evening to you. And Dorian, I'm waiting for your comment before. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Hi. Good day. I don't capture them. Thank you so much for your super chat. I'm not gonna say it. those are comments that are gonna enjoy what you said. You know, Lasuba, yeah, I hear. Okay. Okay, I understand. No be small thing. Thank you so much, and may God bless you and reward you, Madi, for your donation. Emaragema. Thank you so much. Namode Lucky Palace said, Maze, good evening from Kumasi, Ghana. Nice to have you. Is a song. Okay. I don't know about that song, to be honest. But the coded language. The thing that I know the lie. And thank you so much. You know, that reminds me of when I said that her past job, or if you gonna refer. You know what? Because in there, looking at her, everything here about one day, I'm telling you, you are spot on, my sister. Okay, but what do you call now if you life? Brother, stop propaganda. Propaganda is not good. You have to stop propaganda. You cannot do this woman nothing. And I wish you can tell me or show me a video where I said I'm gonna do her something. For you to say you're not gonna do her something and you're not gonna do her nothing. BNP, you can't even put your name. Have you ever seen me on any video saying that, oh, I will do something to Lasuba? Did I say that? So why are you telling me that I'm not gonna do her anything? I never for one promised to do her anything. You think I'm you? I'm not like you. If you can prove otherwise, can you prove to me that what I said is wrong? Yes, I understood everything. I captured what everything you said there. I thank you for that. Divine said her wall is falling apart, and somebody is here to defend her, which was a brother. Stop. I'm not. First of all, I'm not your brother. How can you call me a brother when I don't even know your name? I know nothing about you, and you are calling me a brother. Are you a joker? But wait, does it mean that some of our people don't know the meaning of propaganda? You don't know the word, that word propaganda, what it means. She's crying here, and I told you why she's crying. With fast and faith, I told you the reason. The video is out there. You are here telling me that I should stop propaganda. Please, when is your birthday? So I can bring dictionary as a gift for you. Maybe your birthday gift. You need the pocket dictionary. So you don't know the meaning of propaganda. How is it propaganda? What is propaganda about? Telling you what you are seeing, her own video. What is propaganda here? Am I missing something? Please tell me your birthday. I need to send you a dictionary. I need to give you a pocket dictionary. You need one. You actually need one. You need one, to be honest with you. How can you say that I'm running propaganda? That means you don't know the meaning of propaganda. Ma say, Kai, send me a link for a clarification. Sharply now, we're going to find a man class in the one. I will send it to you, ma. Very, very easy. All right. The link is here. You're welcome. And our own river goddess, you don't land. Masakai. Ekelemu. There were river goddess. I was expecting you yesterday to join us. I don't know. You are nowhere to be found. I hope all is well with you. And Madam Origin, the link is out, so you can just jump in because we have a limited time before fundraising, you know. Let's continue to hear her again. Since her members are not happy, let's play it again. What can I do?
Intimidation is too much.
No, it's too much.
The intimidation is too much.
And she also told you that the intimidation is too much. So which of intimidation here? Is it the kind intimidation or the or Finland infestation intimidation that is too much? What is intimidation here? Anyway, please, Madam Original, move your mic. You are welcome.
Maazị ndewo ihe ọma mere ụmụ Biafra ndị ihe ọma dị mma.
Yes,
ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma ihe ọma mere gị. River Goddess ka m hụrụ her text. I greet properly, Madam River Goddess, and everybody here. I greet everybody. Thank you, Masikai. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Takwa thank you. Plus one you. Agree to.
I greet you too.
You see, I want to address the young man or whoever that is that told you were doing propaganda. A clip that I sent to you that I want to play for him and explain things, why he is where he is, and why he said what he said, and why we are not here to save him or her. Because PASCOM is PASCOM.
PASCOM is PASCOM.
Those the jury got school be behind aga. Oh, one of my classmates. Ndị nne ha na nna ha the ones nnekwu ndị nne ha na nna ha nwere ego eji di ha school ha ajụ. Then ndị mgbe ibe ha na aga achọ akọ n'uche, common sense is not sold anywhere. It is just a matter of tasking yourself to get sense. Okay, you have that clip.
Yeah, the thing is quite slow. Just give me some time. Let me get it up. Is ready on my phone. Is it the one you sent? That's my video, right?
It's your video, but there's something I wanted to highlight there. Just let it, yeah.
Okay.
Thank God no one don't color on because it's standing down what is said. Now therefore, maybe no after can control your coach to go now. I couldn't for you. No one after you can go spy you also. Then if I was up there this morning, then we want to eat there. First, give my motto.
Stop there. If you check why she was explaining to Umaka India, like this young man or young person. So this man goes to this woman's platform and listens to her RRIs. And he will swallow hook, line, and sinker the RRIs. The paper that was there is a hotel. This is a restaurant. It's a restaurant in Finland.
In Finland.
And she said it is akwụkwọ moto.
Somebody now go the write-up that comes with the post, or if you never touch it at all.
No. She, you see, as soon as she got to that the restaurant this thing menu, she said it is akwụkwọ moto. Oh, you didn't get the gist.
I know me. I don't think now akwụkwọ moto but I can't work again. It is surprise.
So na kọwara this nwa nwoke na-agwa gị na-eme propaganda na Ngozi negosi akwụkwọ ji go moto.
Yes.
So that is to explain to you that the people that go to her are like her. When I explain my wife is deep, dancing melon, you people didn't get what I was saying. Versus my wife is pregnant, she is peeling melon. So
okay.
She is analyzing to this young man. My wife is deep, dancing melon. And this young person that is saying you are doing propaganda believes her. And will be asking questions to this woman that how deep was it? He said it's deep, oh, deep, oh, deep. And they'll be having fun.
Oh my goodness. Your quick labor saying that the intimidation is too much.
It's so pathetic. I want to let you know the mind of this woman's state of mind and the people and these are the people she's crying for. They will soon be donating money to her because the wife is deep, dancing melon. And this young man that is coming here to attack you, may have paid so much, maybe God will be rare things to send him to school. And he comes to believe a woman that her RRIs is my wife is deep, dancing melon. Paper one jiriga restaurant, ya show paper jiriga ojiri zomoto. So I can't help these people. You can't help them because they will believe this woman till thy kingdom come. You can't slap him out. And you will come here by your man. It's like I don't have patience. I just kick them out. Kelena TV has Jetamatansen or whatever he calls it.
Gentamacinta.
Is it Jetamacinta?
No, Jetamacinta syrup. Injection.
Injection, yes. Jetamacinta.
Mazikai.
Awuho gentamicin nke anyị na-eyuzu for ndị ale anya ndị gbaskom kelenna si no gentamacinta.
Okay, gentamacinta.
I rested there.
Thank you so much.
We have business today.
Thank you. Your sister is saying that she said that the intimidation is too much.
Biko Maazị Kai on a program program ochie ka ọ sị na kedu ihe o kwuru is not again because some nwagodi ihe ọ sị mara ọ sị na the operation is too much for intimidation.
The intimidation.
Ọ new program bụ ihe akọ nke ochie o mere eme biko na ụmụnne m.
Ihe abụ nke o mere ọ dị ka yesterday.
Ka o bere ụda akwa mba ọ bụrụ ọnụ it cannot be.
Too much.
The recent one
Mbano, the gods cannot cry. The gods cannot cry.
Okay, to prove to you, no recent one. You got man for her. On the DPM, for publishing.
But I never seen this world. Ebe country now. Ebe na bomb boom. This in achi. Or would you use it equal to your world? You got a motto.
What again now?
Hey, awatago mia. The intimidation
So
is too much.
it's too
Hi.
much.
Onye karịrị mmadụ, just accept it and have peace of mind. Hey, nah, you would have hide your emotions, sweetie. Nah, nke a ọkwa
All the hide there and then maybe an able na no small. What she's crying about is she's just crying out because of that post, not even else. Anyway, thank you so much, Madam Origin and River Goddess. Okay, let's give mic to please, River Goddess. Pardon me to welcome Apostle Steve. He was here with us yesterday. Then he waited and waited for Abulia, so he could not make any comment. Let's hear from you, sir. You're welcome.
Let me be the first person to welcome Apostle Steve. We missed you. It's been a long time, and we do ask about you. Welcome to the house.
Happy New Year to everyone.
I wish you the
You're
same,
welcome.
no, sir.
Happy New Year to you.
The point there that what I want to say is that I don't know why Kai Leporti just he said you are acting like Kenana. Kenana said you have signed this work. It's not going anywhere. So you have to follow you or to bomber. So the issue there is that this woman is completely crying because of intimidation, and thank God that she came out and said it. It's intimidation.
Yeah.
DPM has shown her paper, so he can't bear it. So the intimidation is too much. It's too much, and I pity her. I pity her because it's not. So it's not. She did not know how where to handle it. So Ngozi Obiabeze abugoro oyiri mmapụta. So he can't. It is too much. So because I don't see like what he said, it's not because of Nana as you Bumajan or Menka. Okay, like what she said, they are killing people. You are showing your wealth. Thank God that she have confirmed that Ngozi Obiabeze is not poor like her. You see, because that is what is problem of many of in short, Agamas not be Igbo people. It's people who do not understand. How can you not How can you not So it's people who do not understand how life has been created. This woman, Chikodere, nowhere was kind of trying to measure height with Ngozi Obiabeze, which she can't enter where she enters. So she's not qualified. She did not qualify at all. But she want to measure height with a woman that have dine and wine with the people that matters. So they have forgotten that this woman is a member of People's Club, because that one they have forgotten about that one, and they forgot that the kind of people that is in People's Club, that is not a small meat. So Ngozi Obiabeze is not a small meat. So all that's why that's year so the one where never continue because now it's like what yesterday he was watching when Vam 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 was celebrating Gentle. So yeah, so she was kind of even crying because now it's in platform of Bam Bam Bam. Everybody has abandoned her. This woman has caused more harm than good. I'm telling you, the much confusion that even Ogenkele, what Ogenkele cost. This woman has cost 10 times more than what Ogenkele has cost. This woman, Boyengako, so yes, when you saw that she saw that Gentle was in a platform of Eggman. She was angry. What you say? Everybody should stand up and support. Our Gentle spoke well, but you will probably see Eggman and another man halfway. Na ị ga-aga n'iru. So ọ nọkwa n'ebe ọ na-awọchi Gentle, ọ nọkwa ebe a na-castigate Eggman, and I say which kind of bitterness this woman have to people. Her business is too much, too much, too much. Okay, like there's another video of today. I think it's today. Yes, it's live video. He was speaking about a post somebody made, talking about how Nigeria is leaving cow, and cow is marching on the capital city of Nigeria in Abuja. So he said that he's from DPM Ngozola Beze platform. He tweeted it. Now he said that Ngozola Beze is saying we should leave. If you can see that a cow is walking in Abuja, which means what he's trying to say to us, we should not cry because cow is eating our crops in the Biafra land. I say, where this woman is coming, where this even common tweet, and he put video, he can't even make sense from it. Everything about Ngozi Alabeze is itching her. You see, intimidation is too much. I pity her. It's just that I think what our sister said, let her understand the truth and have peace. Let her understand that this woman has broken, he has passed some Rubicon, he has passed some level. He can never see her back. You are, if he be that this woman is in a village, of that kind of person that will be the mother and she, or na why nwoke gotere akwa ịgbakwute ese nnekwu ihe nwa m gotere m ọ bụrụ okwu ọ sị na ịbịa gosi ya akwa na ịbịa na-akọ ya ọ na-enyewu ha akwa. So this woman is already confused. So and I will still say in a Balia gentamicin injection. That's what you people are giving her. Because without that, this woman is supposed to have. You have dead with us, and everybody knows. Everyone that is following her. Everyone that following her.
Because of our time, we are gonna manage the time so that other people will talk.
Everyone that
the thing is,
everyone that is following her is just is actually take one. So the court of that is it.
They don't have it. So the issue of this Kaunaga Abuja, that information is in the public domain. It's not even you look at Mazakwa is here sharing the same. Apakara was sorry, is here sharing the same thing. So this is the video, right? This video.
That is it.
This video you are seeing here is not from DPM. It's just that this woman can yap anything she wants to say. But the truth is that video is not from DPM or anything. Everyone have access to the video already. So people are talking about it, but they can claim anything they want to claim. You know, thank you so much. Forget about Lasuba. Lasuba is not meant to broadcast. She's just there because their friends trusted her and gave her that chance, and she messed everything up. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, let's manage. Let's just manage our time, Madam River Goddess.
Biafra TV, I greet you, Obi-Wan, Madam Origin, Pastor Stephen. Greg, you are welcome. And John Okema, you are welcome. Hey, Madam River Goddess, I welcome you. God bless you. Chukwu goziegi, Madam River Goddess, you are welcome to the forum. As they pain them, they sweet us. As they sweet us, they pain them. They pain them. They sweet me, as they sweet me, they pain them. Whatever a man sow, that he shall reap. And we have a God that answers prayer. Our prayers are being answered. We war not against flesh and blood, but against principality and against power in their wicked and in their high places. Chineke deme for fighting this battle. Now, my dear, hold your emotion. Onye kalele mmadụ, ọ kalele mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ that Ngozi Orabeze, from the beginning, she loves you. What put you in this mess? Because of power, greed, enviousness, lasciviousness. That is what kept you. If you have held that bond, my dear, onye no the base so Osoleze tinye aka n'efele nni. And my prayer today is, Ifeoma meli ibe m ife anụnwa m fụ Ngozi Orabaeze Imago present, I love it. Achọghị m iji ọkpa na-aga. Achọghịkwana m iji horse na-aga. Ihe a bụ blessing. Isi Ifeoma luo gị Ifeoma eluo gị. Isikwa ife ọjọọ luo gị ife ọjọọ eluo gị. So I embrace good thing in my life. Nke ahụ abụrụ one. Then, una maro all this intimidation. Let me explain just in a single second. E.g. the keyhold of the Mazi Gentle, the Yahoo and Butuzo. And they left you and they went to Achere. That is another intimidation. And somebody, somebody, when you were making a program, there is one honest man that came out. Now, saying a problem in way that you don't listen to advice or instruction. Is advice here? And what the man was telling you is plain honest truth. That if you were arguing, go and reflect on that. And now you came out with a broken heart and you showed it, openly. Now, this Yahoo, achọkwa m onye mekwe nke ọma. O nwere one program kai ọ dị ka imere ya late night ka imeburu ya ma dị m busy. When there is something you brought up, ọ dị ka na first visit in Finland, ọkụkọ aha echefu onye fori ọdụ n'udu mmiri. Yes. When you were doing that analysis, it was a top notch and you will do it again. And when onyo biye ga-agbata na that thing. Before you were born, Jesus is already existing. What you want to tell us, you were the backbone of PM. Your labor no manda, that you are the one that fortified him. But you forgot that PM is a man of his own. Even all of your people that felt that they are friend of Simon Ekpa, but they are Simon Ekpa knows you because you cannot eat osoje from the head of a dragon. On a dolu, unu mebe voodoo na the incantation unu, obayere unu film, Ghana the head of dragon ya, totoria we no unu ni ife aneme. Then and she deviated, trying to him. That is if for you because you beat your chest, you protect him with your life. Who does that? So now everything is now boiling out. Yahoo, Gentle, Butuzo, onye ne nke ọma. Initially, when the spirit was with you people were doing well. But when you people open your door for money, you people, because money is evil, money now came in and money destabilized you people. The spirit of the money confused you people. So the cry of this lady is that Gentle the Yahoo left me and you went to Achere. Now that is the intimidation number one. Number two, ịgbanda nwanyị, ife m na-akpụ ya nwanyị tili mkpu si ịgbanda abụrụ obere ịgbanda nwanyị gbanyere gị film. You cannot contain it. Ịgbanda nwanyị did not tell anybody that is going to Finland, and you people said that she has not been to Finland. And ihe niile merenu, Maazị PM chiri ihe niile chinye ịgbanda nwanyị n'aka. Ịgbanda nwanyị chiri ihe niile na-eme nwunye Simon Ekpa n'aka. Then why did you go to see PM with a unknown identity? You did not tell us that part, but oh God now unveil everything. So whatever that is happening, let's keep it low here. I thank everybody. Let's not go further. Thank you. Maazị Kai, I drop my mic.
God bless you, River Goddess. Thank you so much. Thank you. And who is next? I think we have Obi-Wan. Yes. Obi-Wan, let's hear from you. Please, let's just manage the time we have, okay? Because fundraising is almost, we need to follow it. Obi-Wan, are you there?
Yeah, I am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice is fainty. Can you
Can
come
you hear
close
me
your?
now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah. We can hear you now, loud and clear.
Okay. Yeah, like I told you, my phone had a problem. I'm using the earphone until I change it.
Sorry.
I greet every one of you, and
Okay.
I greet Madam Origin. I really appreciate you so much. I heard your voice yesterday, um, and I really appreciate because it was really satisfying that somebody it's good to have love in you. That's why you can be able to remember someone, even though they might not be present. And I really appreciate you. My river goddess, I'm here. I was waiting for you to finish before I can talk, before you don't. And I really appreciate you too and your family and Biafra TV, and I can't see any other person. The two people, but I don't know their name. But I really appreciate everyone here, those ones in the comment section, and everybody. Now, Adadi Orama, I'm mad to Gudino saying that onye na-alụ onye karịrị anya na-eme ya nkiri. So many things is wrong with Adadi Orama. So many things. Some she knows, some she doesn't know. Sometimes a na-ekwu na agwụ, someone else like Ocean Master and you were dragging yesterday, whether agwụ na there or not. Everything is happening to the woman. She cries, she changes like like weather, like season. Today she's this, the other way she's that. But I'm not surprised because she said that she's a chameleon. So we know that. Now, but the thing not there is that when we keep preaching about love and hate, it is very important. It is very important. The hate the woman had, the woman, first of all, Adadi Orama doesn't love herself. Forget that she says she likes dressing and whatever she thinks that is, but she doesn't have an atom of love. Because if Adadi Orama have love in herself, she should be satisfied of who she is. Because the fight she is fighting with Ngozi Orabeze is just jealousy. And at the same time, she refused to understand that everybody was created, was created with their own talent. Adarama has her own talent. And she keep comparing herself with Ngozi Orabeze. And that's why you see all these things coming up. Any little thing the woman does, she's against it. Now, for instance, she is here talking about that DPM bought a car and Nana Ebusi so much buy. Okay, I agree with you, or I agree with her according to her. Now, what is it that you are doing to make that thing to stop? Where do you belong? You are not in USB. You are not in so-called Ogenkere. You are not in Imam Madam. You are all by yourself. All this thing is happening. Just even in WhatsApp group she created, she's not belonging there anymore. So how do you think you can help with the problem that you are crying on the social media? Sometimes other than maybe too emotional, clear. Because on a very good day, on your Maya, just like Madam Origin said that now if the but the people that have the same level of brain that she has, the same level. Upon your brain may grow. How do you know? Some conversation, some analysis, some an, analysis will become so boring for you to accommodate. Even when Ada is analyzing something very, very important, you find it so boring because she's not saying exactly what she's supposed to say. That is that thing. She's not smart, even though I heard when someone say she can speak English and all those kind of things. But whether she can speak English or not, but I can see that she doesn't even understand what she is trying to analyze. She doesn't even get it. Even when you speak to Adade Rama with a different kind of tone or in a way that she will just grab it without you finishing your words, Adade Rama cannot understand it. That's why they're having problems in this present government because the time for that kind of brain is over. But they choose not, she in particular, choose not to understand it. The people I'm pitying is the so-called Gento Yahoo and Igwe Bitodo, those guys. I pity them. I really, really pity those guys. I don't see where people are gambling their life, using their life to gamble. By now, if this man does not understand or doesn't know exactly where to invest their energy, I pity them. I just hope that they survive this thing because no is there mafia. Can you imagine people that their life is at stake are busy running from one place to the other? Isi na nke oge nkele, ịmapụ, ịmaje na nke ada rịọrọ mma. Isi na nke ada rịọrọ mma, ịmapụ, ịmaje na TRC. But you can see that the platform that was created, which when if you talk about funds today, Bona Gen to choose to work with USB, and you choose to talk about funds today, where is the majority? Kerebe the majority. You think that today's fundraising wouldn't be about that? That's why people need to think. When you are serious about something, figure it out. Be smart about it. Don't be stupid. At this point, everybody, in each and everyone, if I were in their shoes, I will actually be smart about what is going on and find a way to actually get over this thing. But they choose to be playing gamble with the ones that live in America, the ones that live in France, tomorrow, in Akoko, they will misuse them and they will leave them. I just pray. I pray for them. I pray for them. As of Adade Rama have lost, is nowhere to be found in this struggle. He is out of the way. All these things he's doing, he's just catching cruise. That's what I think. That's my thought. May God bless the United States of Biafra. Shalom. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your submission. And we are rushing this time because of
Recording in progress.
fundraising. Please
Biafrans have been chased away from the
bear with
Nigerian
us.
government all over the world. Those things are captured, and we put in place structures that will make our Biafran citizens to continue
All
to
right.
support whatever foreign government or country
So,
they belong to, and at the same
please
time continue to gradually move back in.
permit me because we are going to one minute, please. One minute so we can join fundraising, okay? 1 minute. Ray Biafra, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me, Ray Biafra?
Yes, can you hear me too? I can hear you. Am I
Yes, I
coming
can
out?
hear you. I can hear you. So you have to give me time. You have to wait. Let me welcome other people, okay? Because we are going to.
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Just a moment. Let me. Just a moment. Okay. What will happen? What will happen is this. Ray Biafra, John, permit me. Let me welcome John Okenwa, okay? Because we are going to go start fundraising, so we have time. We can have time together later. So let me welcome other people, okay? John Okenwa, mute your mic. Let's hear from you. Apostle Frank is here with us. 1 minute, John Okenwa, mute your mic.
Good evening, my brother, and good evening to everybody here.
Your voice is very, very low. Can you come close to your phone?
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you
Can you
right
hear?
on.
Okay. I greet everybody. Yeah? Good evening.
You're
Good
welcome.
evening,
You're
everybody.
welcome.
Yeah. Ish, my brother. I'm Adam. That like this woman. Honorable every time he would our program here and image the program like this. I'm at that Joe Majuju or this woman or no way the whole family will kid na the order. Special always home as because now that age yeah now. Onye ekwesịghị ịmụta nwa toro eto nwere ike ịnọgide wanda ọsịa mọmi nọrọgodo ala ka njugodo ya ajụjụ dụọ ya ọdụ because na mụ anyị ekwuezi about ọnụrụ di ọnụghọ di or were immediate family or no immediate family because with ihe ọ na-eme look at from starting from the time of ọbata obi ka ọ na-ebe akwa ọ na-ebe akwa arụrụ ana o nwere ihe ndị anyị na-akpa akwa arụrụ ana mgbe ọbụla mmadụ a na-eme na-etigbuo ya na-azọgbuo ya mana onye nwa jidere ihe niile na-ekpotokọ okay watch go since so na USB wee pụọ till today USB ewebeghị problem ha na-ewe before because no from one gossip to another mechara mma BM ji wee mecha kpọọ ya sabo because of what her attitude and character and envy okay look at now ọ sị na deputy prime minister na onweghị o were no moto ọ na-aya bụ akpakara moto then egosizie moto na ya bewekwa akwa moto na bewekwa akwa na-eji ego ekwesịrị iji wee na-azọpụta ụmụ aja ana were eje ego moto ụmụ aja ana ọ na-ekwu okwu esef ịba ya obi ifu na onweghị anything dị n'ime ebe a it's just an empty vessel na-emekegharị noise na social media and ndị ebere m na-emere
the annoying part is that this woman not only her, some of them they underestimate DPM. DPM will have two companies like this her hospital. She have two, not one, two. So when it comes to the issue of money, whatever DPM said in that her post, that is real. Your car to that's just the fact.
Man, it's true. Ịmana were ihe awa onye ndụ maazị na nkanụ kwuru ọ sị na onye agụụ anaghị achọ freedom onye agụụ chọwa freedom ihe onye agụụ chọwa freedom ọzọ okay look at that ikenga anyị na-ekwu okwu kwefere ka o si akwụgharị osi ebe ọmaba ebe osi ebe ọmaba ebe that is the same thing this woman na-eme because ọ na-achọ ebe ọ ya ehibe isi wee wetawa ego mana that ebe ahụ ekwe ha abịa. That's why OJ bikasi aka everywhere. And look at kita ndị ebere m na-emere bụ ndị a na-eforu ya ma na-edefend ya for run and no problem anyị were as ndị Igbo na ihe adịbụ na Igbo mana kita nke a is too much. Mmadụ fụcha na mmadụ na-ekwu eme ihe ọjọọ ọ na-support ihe ọjọọ ahụ na-support na-ekwuri look at those people na comment here look at nonsense ha na-ekwu nwa ya mepe ọnụ na-ekwu okwu I don't make any sense at all but these people are not support here.
Thank you so much. Thank you, John. Okay, we are managing our time because fundraising is already on. So let's go to Greg. Please help us with time. Thank you so much. I should do so. Greg, are you with us?
Yes, Mazi. Good evening, dear friends.
Good evening, sir.
My greetings to everybody. I can see Akonya with the goddess.
Yes.
Real TV upon.
Okay, yeah.
Apostle Frank, yeah. I can see Nkonye chiri ya we ya ji isi nke ochiri ike. Nkonye na-eme akwa na ya.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. Emana, yesterday I kpara maka nwanyị Mom him like boy because he by one is such a is
Lasuba afia what's not afia Lasuba
I didn't want so I got no a blessing call because I got the one karanka more a blessing for more moment and we search so
no he's not trying postal color power look I need to make postal color
yes my paint we see a paint my issue paint
why is it paint okay.
It's more better than one is such a blessing.
All right.
So, in the first place, the only thing what I'm with them, I'm trying to add analysis this evening, Bonam. Us na na-ebugasị ndị be anyị wee na-akpọ Soludo na and Hope Uzodimma with na na-agba n'Enugu na-agba n'Imo na-agba everywhere na-akpọ Soludo. So it come to my mind na the same Soludo ka ọ kpọ wee gwa Soludo ka ọ maa ma ọ nwaanyị na-agba agada anyị mmamịrị ga-emeri Soludo na Anambra steeti. Number one, na ga-enwe election. Number two, when again we sit at home that na Anambra ga-close, that Soludo should wake up. I don't know if I'm coming out.
Very, very, very clear. We can hear you.
So, so ọ bụrụ na ọ na-akpọ Soludo, ọ bụrụ na ọ na-akpọ Dr. Ngozi Arabeze na a na-agba egbe, ọkpọ na ọ na-arụ with Soludo with the Nigerian government. Ọ bezikwa kịta ebe ọ kpọburu na ọ na-akpọ Dr. Ngozi Arabeze wee na-ajụ Soludo ma ọ ga-ekwe ka Dr. Ngozi Arabeze win na Anambra steeti na-ekwekwe na. So Dr. Ngozi ndị Biafrans both ndị nọ na Lasuba ma ndị nọ na GRG and the SSS and whatever they will call them. So then judge yourself who is working with Nigerian government and who is working with Anambra state government. At least let me hold strong Anambra state government that he should resist Dr. Ngozi Arabeze in Anambra state. So Biafra should be asking questions. So before you call Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, na ya say no ga penetrate Anambra state. Na Soludo gakunu gidigbam. And now in I the same Biafra again under 2 because this is under 2 weeks. 2 weeks in car or 3 weeks. Go make it that broadcast. We're not Dr. Ngozi Arabeze start na. So if we man at this woman, just like exactly what we described her yesterday, is a criminal, is demonic, and there is no spiritual person that can help her. I'm telling you, her own has gone over that nobody will deliver this woman. Inside the ground. So any person that listening to this woman, so number 2, watch them bam with Indotia. What I can find out that these people are looking for somewhere to hold on. The whole men on the ground, I'm not on their side for any. When you deviate, and bring yourself to the lowest. So imagine yourself when you feel loved. When you feel loved with millions of people. And the same thing is what Adadorama is suffering. When the whole body, more than how many Biafrans show these people love, more than love. All of a sudden, so, and they can never rise again. Because and that is how they will be jumping from Vam to Ogenkere to Atadaramma to Imam Madabo until Biafra will come. They will no more be recognized.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We are running short of time. I have to end it there. Thank you. God bless you. Please let's hear from this our brother. He's a new person, Apostle Frank. Let's hear from you. Just 1 minute. I'm about to switch on to another platform, another fundraising. You just 1 minute, then after you, then I call you, then we will fold it. Please, my people, I'm gonna drop a link. Okay, this link it will take you to fundraising. That you are going to. It will take you to our fundraising. So I will drop a link on comment section. Have the mic, Frank.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. First of all, I want to say this. I appreciate the good work you are doing. Then, secondly, every other person on the studio, greetings from here. I want to quickly say this in the next 60 seconds. Let me just address one or few things, and I want everybody to take
I want everybody to take conscious of this so that I won't be taken out of context in some of the statements I'm going to make now. Now, considering the office where I'm coming from, whether you believe in the word of God, you don't believe in it, you believe in God, you don't believe in God, Bible is one of the moral book ever in the history. So go to Genesis chapter 11, you discover about issue of problem that God created for the people because of single acts. There is no offense these people committed to God except the fact that they were united. It was unity that brought about the destruction of the people of Babel because they had unity. Now, I want to show you the power of unity. If the Biafrans can accept that and work on that, it will help us go a long way. If I can tell you the fact that Nigeria are senseless and they are stupid. Every leader who arose in Nigeria is stupid because they should have known the only reason why Nigeria cannot progress is because they have Igbo man in the system. They should have let them go. When they go away, Nigeria can even fight hard if they can be okay. Because whatever that is happening now can show you that we are the problem of Nigeria. It is not even the people they are blaming to be the problem, but we ourselves. Now, secondly, you don't fight or you don't beg for unity. You don't beg for unity. Unity is a product of justice, fairness, and equity. If you want unity in your domain, if you want unity in a proposed nation, if you want unity in organization we are seeking for, you have to work on these three things: justice, fairness, and equity. When you talk about peace, peace is a product of morality. If you live a life that is not moral, you can never achieve peace. I want Biafrans to begin to look into this. The time you spend, the time another person spent coming on the media, coming on his station, waste data, spend trying to talk about people, trying to talk about this person, trying to discredit whatever activities Dr. Ngozi Orebeze have done, trying to discredit whatever activity this other person have done. It splitted the department in 100-fold without working in a proper focusedness. We are not going to get anything. So I want people to begin to look at this. If every unity, if every fractions that are be created in the midst of this whole thing, if all of them should think proper and everybody comes together and work in these purpose I'm talking about now, who is Nigeria to be creating commotion among us? And this is why we're not getting this. So I want, this is kind of a movement we're beginning now to talk to every Biafrans, begin to correct. Honestly, the truth of it is that everybody cannot be on the right direction. So there are those who will not do things right. Let us learn and let us figure out a way to accommodate everybody together and let everybody work together in the purpose and the cause which we have at hand. Thank you very much for this moment. I think some other times we can have, because I have so many other meetings I need to attend to tonight. And that is why I have to be very brief on this place. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother Frank. You are talking about unity. I hear you, but that unity cannot just come like that. Okay, I understand. We all want unity. You understand? But we need to also adjust our attitude for that unity to come in fullness. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. God bless you. Akoyewete.
Ndewo maazị, o tekwala.
Ndewo to you.
Na ihe mere ebe dapụta kebezi ma na obongo ka anyị nọ data bụzi war. So that's number one, because ihe na-ekwu, ihe Ekele nna na-ekwu, na ihe Exodus na-ekwu, Ribia for everybody na-ekwu the same thing.
We cannot hear you anymore.
Time frame, ị na-anụ ihe na-ekwu?
I'm not again, yes, we can hear you.
N'ihe na-ekwu, ihe all the independent media la support USB na-ekwu, not the same thing, and time nke Ekele nna la-ada ya kebe na mgbe nla dị off. That is why Mada esonyewere gị like before, but all the program ila drop at the full am. That's by the way. So one thing nji sị ka ntinye ọnụ now, ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwupụrụ okwu kwuru now bụ ihe mwa na-ekwubu. So ike Lasuba ha vam na ndị otu ha is no longer none of my business, though they are shame. them themselves, they do not have shame in their life again. It is we that what they are doing is making us to feel ashamed of ourselves, making us to continue to run in a vicious circle, causing us to making one step forward and taking ourselves 10 steps backward. So, but nevertheless, we will keep pushing. We will keep pushing. As na ajọ ihe gbaa afọ bụrụ omenala, ajọ ihe gbara afa mgbe o bido gbaba afa right from Wazirike down to DOS. So it is not a new thing, even though now the harm is much on us, the ridicule is much on the good people, but we will keep moving. Thank you. Now, ihe chọrọ ikwu biko, ana m ayọ USB. They should put up a disclaimer on that rubbish gentleman platform. Whatever those people that call themselves men on the ground do, USB should put a disclaimer that Mazi Simon Ekpa, his hand is not in it. Pending when PM will come out, let us know. And because me, I will appear the platform of local joy average. But as it stands today, as we are speculating that none are neutral or none are with USB, let the government we are supporting put a disclaimer. N'ihe ọbụla ha bidokwere mebe o, ma ndị iberibe jekwe nye ha ego enyebe ha hapụta mụwa moto ọkụ ka ha saa mụ before. N'aka PM adịghịkwa ya ka nwa nke mmadụ si ebe ahụ ọ nọ pụta. That's number one. Number two, to ndị si na ha bụ men on the ground, I have said this countless number of times. Biafra is not only in Okigwe. Fighting to securing of our land will not be fought in Okigwe alone or Imo State. If they are not willing to absorb or subscribe to decentralization of the military that will give every state the authority and the power to govern, to secure their own entity. We that are in USB, will I say we are against them, but we are not in support of them. And to the Biafrans that want to go and give them money, make sure that you take responsibility of whatever they use the money you will donate to them to do. Ebe ọ bụ na ọ dị mma, the peace in ala Igbo adịghị ha mma. Unu agbago tiwi from, let's say, from MNK, from Masob, MNK, and Simon, and all our leaders are behind back. And they still want to keep on doing the same thing and expecting different results. You must be foolish and you must be a fool to expect it. We are rational in our reasoning. We believe in the modus operandi Dr. Ngozi is using. And I keep on advising her, don't let anybody coerce you in doing what that will put you in trouble. Do as you calculate, as you learn from the leaders that are behind bar today. Do the things that will keep you safe and keep the struggle moving, slow and steady, till we get to where we are going. That's what I have to say. You have Lasuba or whatever.
I would like us to talk more about this topic, all right? Because I'm rushing now to switch on to fundraising. Apostle Frank,
no problem, sir.
Apostle Frank, I would like to have you again. I want to talk to you. Because it seems like you have a lot to say. So I would like to engage you. Okay. So please give me time for this time. Okay. Thank you, people. And the link on the comment section will take you to the fundraising. Please follow us there. We have scheduled the program. I'm gonna start instantly without wasting much time. So please follow the link on this link will follow you, take you to that space. Please join us there. God bless you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.